Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, we on day 5. Alright, day 5, we're gonna show you how to detox your body one more time in a different kind of ways, but it's still detoxing your body. And as I said before, guys, no one can do nothing to yourself except you yourself. Alright, so guys, you have to look after yourself and you have to treat yourself and you have to make sure your body comes first. So today we're gonna do day 5 on detoxing your body, and as I said before, I take the time out to do this video every night and every day, that you guys can do the same thing at home and detoxing your body and lose some weight. And as I said before, in most of my video, we are coming out 1 week of smoothie. We're gonna dash with all beef, pork, chicken, lamb. That whole week you're just gonna be bay smoothie drink coming up. All right, so guys, stay tuned for those recipes which are gonna be coming very soon. I know it's gonna take is a big effort, and I know if you know me, once you make up your mind to do certain things, there's no one can stop it. So guys, as I said, day 5 and detoxing your body. So hopefully by Sunday we will close it off to Monday, and hopefully guys can say yes, thank you Chef Ricardo for the advice and also for the interest of detoxing your body at home. Guys, it's really good. You know what I mean? Today I was detoxing my body and I was just drinking cucumber and some lemon juice in my water, and you know what I mean, they were saying, why are you doing that, Chef Ricardo? But I'm saying I'm detoxing my body. You know what I mean? I'm looking at myself, I'm cleaning out the system. You know what I mean? If you have a car and you change your engine, you see the engine start to function different. You're not gonna get any smoke come from the tailpipe. Alright? So we have to look after ourselves and put ourselves first. When you look after yourself, you can look after no one else around the whole house team. Alright? Stay tuned as we make the detoxing water today. And also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, on Facebook, and we got the live page. Follow me, guys. You need to follow Chef Ricardo. If you don't follow me and share, no one knows what's going on. Detoxing our body. I'm just gonna be very easy and simple with this one, but I know you guys still gonna like this one because it's a recipe which is really good for detoxing your body. Anyway, a lot of people doesn't know what is this. You know, this is cinnamon stick, very good, and this is the powder one. So you got the powder one and you got the cinnamon stick. This one right here is some ginger, which already in the bottle, grated ginger, and this is the fresh ginger. Option, you can use any one you like to use. Is your preference which one you like to use is prefer fine for you guys. All right, so basically what we're going to do is break my cinnamon into half like this. All right, and what I'm going to do is put some not hot water, lukewarm water inside of the glass like that. As you can see, the cinnamon stick inside of it. All right, but basically I'm just gonna pop a pinch of the cinnamon, the powder one, inside. Just a little pinch of it. That's the powder one. All right, let's get that out of the way. Then we're going to put a little bit of ginger powder. Just a little pinch of the ginger powder. Get that out of the way. Then next, we're just gonna get some slices of cucumber. If you notice, this is the amount we should adjust slices, probably about 6 pieces. Straight in the water. Lemon is a must. Alright, few slices of lemon. And just a pinch of honey. Alright, then give it a nice lovely stir. Nice one. What I want to simply say to you with this one here, what you can do is simple. Leave it inside of the glass for about 5 to 6 hours on the work surface, just like this. Cover it, or you can put it in your fridge for 5 to 6 hours. Drink one in the morning and one before you go to bed at night. This is what you want to do it. and detox your body, guys. So as you can see right here, this looking so lovely and nice and fantastic. So hopefully guys like it. Very easy and simple. As I can say, cinnamon with lemon, ginger and cucumber and honey. Amazing recipe, guys, to detox your body. You can drink one in the morning before your breakfast and eat healthy, and you can have one after your breakfast. So thank you so much for watching the show. And as I say, 5 days of detoxing our body. And I know someone, if someone do this video every day with Chef Ricardo, you will see some result. If it doesn't see it losing the weight, you will see it when you go to the loo, or when you wee, or when you poo, something after show. All right, thank you so much, guys. It's just amazing. We're on day 5 to watching my show. Is just amazing. So please share, like and subscribe, and tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And next thing, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We love you, guys, and thank you for the big support towards my cooking show. Look out for Sunday dinner recipe coming out very soon. All right, enjoy. See you next time.